Good morning, welcome. Good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome, guys. How's it going? How do you feel today? Welcome, chat. Nice to see you. Welcome on board. What is it today? Tuesday times. Been playing a lot of the tennis today, guys. I'm tired. I had an intense... Nurses are waiting already. We're ready to go. Do we need any medical service or medical care? We're gonna find it out. Depends on a few things, certainly. What is up, guys? Welcome. What's up? Good evening for some of you out there. Well, let's just go ahead and share the video. Share the video. We might not be that many today on the stream. There's a holiday in the US, a bank holiday with a Veterans Day. Freedom is not free, guys. Freedom is not free. It's actually the most expensive thing. How do you feel today? What a lovely community. I just put the link in the chat for the giveaway. $125,000. Yeah, there you go. Take a break and readjust, because we are getting rejected by this algo driven markets today. You can't say this is natural, you can't say this is organic, you can't say this has the ability to miss the breakout dozens of times. We're touching the weekly volume weighted average price, VWAP here, and we're getting squeezed basically by the downtrending resistance line. So there's going to be a breakout. Good morning, welcome everyone. Here's the giveaway page. It's very simple. Email verification and then your YouTube username, which can be easily discovered by writing a comment. So we're going to trade today and enjoy the ride. Bitcoin is down, cryptocurrencies are down in such days. They're down before the storm. If we get the government functioning, I think they're going to explode it. Keeping it down for the moment, letting the bears to accumulate, giving them the freedom to believe in perpetual shorts. Testing out
Order
a little
filled.
long here, guys. On our Lucid account, 150k direct. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. Yep. Nah, but crypto dumped. This algo, here is the support here at this 600's pivot.
Order
But
filled.
it looks like we have an algo keeping us down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like we have an algo keeping
Order
us
filled.
down. Look at this selling pressure. Non-stop. The same thing happened for the crypto space too. Yeah.
Order filled.
The 1,500 daily loss has been touched so quickly. Look at that. Ho ho! And we're down here on the top on futures as well. Oh my god. How on earth do you deliver such 5-minute candle, guys? Such 15-minute, I wanted to say. We're looking at a 15-minute. And what an accuracy rejection. But you know what we got today? We got 2 Lucid Pro accounts. Because we got basically 6 challenges that we passed. Remember, we made $4,000 during that day. And out of that 6, all of them actually were paused until yesterday when we lost 2 direct funded. And now we have activated our Lucid Pro. It's crazy what happens here in the price. But it's certainly difficult for me. So I'm gonna get out of this tremendous sell-off again. Bulls missed there. You know, I'll have to put a stop loss here where... What a big stop loss.
Order filled.
Yeah. Obviously. No, it's just, you know, impossible. 0 wicks to the upside, 0 delivery. Algo-driven markets today, it's a trouble. Not having any reaction, guys, on the weekly VWAP. That's not happening on a real market, I'm sorry. Yeah. You got your weekly wheel up there, and you got 0 reaction from it. Not even 3 points. Absolutely terrible. Could have at least done this. Let me just get a little slower, because this is already too aggressive. Make sure to like the video, everyone. In order to participate the $125,000 giveaway, you gotta like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. We're gonna take it a little slower. We're gonna take it a little slower. Looking for the 60s. That's where I'm gonna long everything. Let me get my accounts ready. So top 1 futures as well. And Ticktick Trader. Back to the Sim Funder world. We're having our 5 accounts ready to fly. Wondering if we get to touch the 60s here. I'm wondering. I've been a little bit overexposed, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. And join the Discord. Hey, good morning, everyone. The 1 minute is actually getting slaughtered here. It is what it is. We got to touch that 60s in the next 15-minute candle. About to open in a minute, guys. No, it's over with the live. We had $200 drawdown left. We're back into the sim-funded world. When you lose your live account, we lost $5,000 drawdown. When you lose your drawdown, you get back to sim-funded. So we have to build again 10,000 in sim-funded. Thank you guys for joining. That's a pretty deep one. I'm just looking for a little reaction down the way. Yep. At least the great part about is you can resume trading on Ticktick. A sim-funded world. Weekly VWAP here.
Order filled.
Will it just slide continuously without any...
Order filled.
Bring it down, baby. I'm ready to monetize that from the weekly VWAP. Let's go, come on. Yes, the balance I had. Exactly, here are the balances. 103,265 basically. We cashed out 2,000 the last time, and here are the accounts, you know. We didn't traded them for a while. In October we traded them last time. Bring it down, come on. We have a good trade. Finally. Welcome. Low market volume and poor conditions of trading. Yeah, sure. I think so.
Order filled.
We touched that lovely break even. Might get a rejection a little higher, around 604. We're about to see that 60s touch today. Yeah, I think it's kind of the same thing for the majority. I think the trading conditions are much better on the sim environment. Much better. And there is a lot more money to be made in the sim environment. I mean, it's kind of obvious, right? Where you can have multiple accounts. Of course, if you hit a strong rally, and a
Order
strong
filled.
move on the live and you take it out, you can make 3, 4, 5 grand a day, 7,000 in a day. But in order to do these things, you gotta risk a lot. You gotta risk most of the time everything. So if you're overcautious, you're not gonna make it.
Order filled.
Go back in a short here, guys. It's a good level to send the markets back into the 80s. Yeah. You gotta sit on your account full time.
Order filled.
Opening a short on my tap on futures too. We might have another round of choppiness here before we break out. If we break out to the upside before touching the 60s, if that's the scenario we follow through. However, the algo is on the green line, as you can see. The algo of the selling pressure is set for the green line. Every time we touch that, we just dropped. We just dropped back.
Order filled. Order filled.
The green line basically is a dynamic swing onshore. Dynamic swing onshore VWAP. Highly useful. Bring it down. Beautiful. Come on. The target here is just 500.
Order filled.
Beautiful. The target has been touched there. Let's find it out if we get to touch the target on our Lucid account as well. Putting the break even. And we're sliding, baby. Keep it going. That's the green algo. We got a little bouncing from the VWAP.
Order filled.
From the weekly one. Break even has been touched on Lucid, but we touched the target basically on the tap on futures Ignite accounts. That's a great time, guys. Good morning, welcome guys. Make sure you sign up for the giveaway. And of course, coupon code Scramble pretty much for everything. We got a Lucid running big deals and their new product. For those of you that didn't saw the video, I'll send you the link here in the chat. You can see that after the stream. Their new product. $60. Payout is $1,000, right? Their new 25,000. Oh. But at the same time, big discounts pretty much on board for all the things around the Lucid. Tap 1 Futures as well is running a tremendous discount. Yep. 55%. $55 with my code, they give you 50. Yeah, looks like it wants to go up from here. It wants to retest the trending line.
Order filled.
No. Certainly. What a nice buyback we had earlier. And now this whole thing is getting denied. I'll have to cut it away.
Order
I
filled.
have to cut it away. Nothing makes sense in this markets today, and this is how. No volume days are happening. No continuation. Look at that. The flag has been missed. Yes. 100%, guys. 100% below 10,000 bucks. Bank holiday today, indeed. The reset was $38 at the time I filmed the video. Look at that.
Order filled.
I think the price section is going to force the line above the 600s. I think that.
Order filled.
We're trading this Ignite account. And Lucid Pro, how much money do I need to do in Lucid Pro? Let me quickly verify that. Because we passed 6 challenges. So for the 50k what we passed, $100 minimum for 5 days. Buffer is in 2,100 plus the 1,500 bucks, 3,600. I can make around $1,000 maximum. Shouldn't cross that 1 grand. And adding another contract here.
Order filled.
Good morning, welcome guys. That's the link, guys, to sign up for the giveaway. You want to verify your email, buddy. The form is supposed to work. It's working fine from what I'm able to see. Been making money since last night. Good job. Welcome from Italy. We're a little bit down here. I don't like the price section again. This is not a price section basically for For my style, which is running on high contracts, this is not a price action based on that. The ETC is also having huge difficulties. Yep. Indeed.
Order filled.
Adding another contract to this. Stop loss clearly below on the top one futures. Right, so if we deny that candle from the top one, I'm out. And I'm also going for the
Order filled.
Lucid, another contract here.
Order
2
filled.
more contracts here. Getting out if the market reverses once again without a push. Leaving that one open for the target, guys, 623. Let's see if we can cross the 98. Let's see if we can do it. In days like this, you can have 20-30 points coming out of nowhere in a market continuation without any other effect. Alright, moving the break even for the
Order
top one
filled.
futures. The target has been touched, guys. And the Lucid, leaving it open for the moment. And moving break even. So this is what I'm trading on Lucid, guys. Break even and 3,000 on the other side. Wish me good luck. Come on. We had a good trade. Sign up for the giveaway. Like the video, everyone. We're making good money. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Boom. We're having the fireworks soon. As soon as I hope this trade is going to touch those. Pretty promising.
Order
And
filled.
we could do better, but nah. We touch break even again. And the 1 minute has a rejection here, guys. If we look at a trend, I just see that here. This is a 1 minute rejection. And that's not fun, guys. So do I go with the acceptance?
Order filled.
I can short this here with a stop loss above. And go for the target basically around the 60s. If we don't get to see acceptance above 602, we're going to be fine here. We're going to send the fireworks soon. But we have an interesting trade, so we quickly jumped on the other side. I think it makes sense from what we see to be short. Once we cross the 90s, I'm going to go break even. Adding
Order
one
filled.
more contract to this, guys. Come on. Reject. Sink it. I'm going break even at this point. Watch how we get a flush of 20-30 points. No volume day, market dropping. Come on. Or this is gonna be a slow bleeding. Makes sense, right? Come on, press the pedal below 90s. Yes, this is the 1 minute chart. Press the pedal, come on. Stop playing games.
Order filled.
No, we touch break even. It's pretty difficult to trade, guys.
Order filled.
Reshorting my spot from here. I'm going for that 60s. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to sign up the giveaways and like the video. In order to participate, you gotta like the video. Huge discounts pretty much everywhere. Coupon code SCRAMBO. All the links can be discovered. There you go. No man's land on the 96. No man's land.
Order filled.
$62 for my exit. If I get it, I'm pretty much enthusiastic about it. Come on, just start bleeding. No one is gonna stop you till the 60s, right? The 15 minute is haunting the 60s. Look at that. You're not getting acceptance here. Unless this whole thing is fake. And you'd like to revisit the pivot we had here, which comes in combination with the purple line, and that's the 200 EMA. Bring it down. I'm all set up. No acceptance above the 600 so far. Bring it down, baby. Adding two more contracts to this. Because we are nosediving. Hey, let's go. Putting the break even. We're relaxed right now, sitting and waiting. My target is on 71. We have added more to this. Right at the time I see it starting to move, I'm DCing, and most of the time I try to do this when we're in profit. But very close to my entry, right? I don't like to DCA when we're halfway through the target. Nah. Look at that. We're gonna get stopped out and break even, right? We're gonna get stopped out and break even, aren't we? Should have a bleeding all the way. 20 points. Cheers everyone, enjoy your day, enjoy your holidays time, and make sure to like the video, win some accounts, and grab some nice trading. So there you go to chill. The market is not your bread and butter today. No, no. Just get back below 85. I like to see it finding acceptance below 85 so I can trail. I'm gonna eliminate my entire loss that I have, which is realized loss. I'm gonna eliminate that, and I'm gonna hit my target at 1,800 if we touch the target on this trade. Come on. Let's just find acceptance below 85. Slow bleeding. Good job, good job. Keep going. The market makers are watching. Certainly they got nothing to do on a bank holiday, right? Good morning everyone, happy to see you guys. So happy about the whole thing. You know, I could get out here for 1,000. And probably gotta stop being greedy. But you see, if you never risk, you don't drink champagne, guys. And that's valid for the whole life. If you don't risk, you don't drink champagnes. You drink, like I do, green teas. Hey, come on. That 15-minute is certainly communicating something. But you see, 10 points to the upside and then just back to my target. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get wiped out. There's obviously on the table. Pull the trigger. I can't move my trailing right now, guys. You know why? Because they can wick like this. They can wick. Or even like this. They can do that. If I put my trailing here, I'll be wiping myself out. I like to see the markets here around the 80s so I can put my trailing at this point close to the 90s. I just
Order
sold 3
filled.
contracts right now. Increase my position a little bit. And I'm gonna trail above the candle if we get around 85. Come on, you silly markets. It's certainly not worth it. Only the smart risk. Most of the risk is idiot risk, right? It's nonsense. But the smart one, once in a life, I'd like to see the markets pushing one tick to my break even and not touch it. Once in a life. And now a beautiful cliff, 20 points. We have a minute and the algo starts, guys. It's not the market opening, but it's the flat hour algo.
Order filled.
And we got break even nicely. This is what happens. They saw me on the stream. 15-minute candlestick here looks ugly. But you see, in days like this, it doesn't matter. No. I actually went basically for this trade. But the risk management was there. We had 2 good entries, which were both hit by the break even. And we had at least 700-800 profit on both. The previous trade was up to 1,600. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Great to see you guys. Sign up for the giveaways. Like the video, enjoy your time. And of course, you gotta join also. Are we just gonna break out right now? Look at that. Will there be a triple rejection?
Order filled.
I still think we can grab something above the 15. So I'm hungry for it, guys. At least to touch the resistance line around 17, 18.
Order filled.
Bunch of denial for Nasdaq above 600.
Order filled.
I'll open my Quant Tower as well.
Order filled.
And I'm opening a trade on my Ticktick where I'm looking for making, you know, that 500 bucks for the first point on the Ticktick as well. Let's go, guys. Come on. Lucid, tap on futures in Ticktick. Crazy price action, right? Oh. I'm gonna cut this one away. Looks like the continuation stopped. No resistance line touched. We came back to it pretty close 3 times in a row. And the resistance line has not been touched, so there is a risk right now of going downwards. I'll have to cut this one away. We just smashed through the 96. Again, guys, look at the algo. And I'm getting trapped by it. Look at the green line on the algo. Look at this one, guys. It's a magic touch. The green line on the algo. This is an insider indicator, guys. Wondering how aggressive this is going to be. Bitcoin lost a couple of grand. No.
Order filled.
It's daily loss. And we were break even with this one. Nothing worked today on Lucid. I'll have to cut it away over here too. Let's just connect our new Pro accounts. We passed the challenge. The green line is coming from a dynamic swing and short. Let me give you the link about a script, guys. By Zeyerman. Very accurate. That's the link for the indicator. Delivering exactly on the price section.
Order filled.
Going for a little continuation to the upside on this Lucid account. This is a brand new Lucid account funded from passing a challenge. It's a Lucid Pro. We're looking forward to making around $500 today in the first day. Beautiful, right? Beautiful, guys. Keep going. What a nasty market. This is a Lucid Pro account. So we pass 6 challenges and 2 of them got activated because we have room. I never traded this kind of Pro accounts. But we're gonna take it slowly.
Order filled.
Adding 2 more contracts here for my Ticktick, where I'm happy to take a $500 target because that's how much it's worth for a single point. Let's go, guys. Also had a nice trailing $180 there for this Lucid. I'll take that. Brand new account. Putting the break even, putting the trailing actually below the new candle here. Keep going, buddy. Oh my god, look at that. That was so close, guys. A single tick. Look at that. 600.75. Oh. What happened there? What happened here? It just wicked into my target and has not been filled. I'm not selling yet. I'm giving up
Order
right now. And at $424, it's enough there. I'm also out here
Order
as well.
filled.
130 for the moment because the entry here was too high. Beautiful, guys. This is the first account where I'm feeling great about it today. I'm running the fireworks for the first time today. Come on, guys. 424 bucks. You know, I'm calling it a day for this account. That's good money. That's good money. Right. We have to do 53,600. We made 400 in the first day. 35% consistency for your Lucid Pro account. So if you pass the challenge, it's the 50k. The challenge is no consistency, no activation fee. And you become Lucid Pro. No, that's great. Thank you guys, appreciate it. And then look what happened on the markets. This is a wild price action that happens here on the weekly VWAP. 20 minutes and we're gonna get some heating. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. With educational materials, great trading, and of course, giveaways every single day. Today, for example, we have 3 giveaways. Top 1 Futures, Ticktick Trader, and Lucid. From these 3 companies, we're going to share accounts today. This might be an interesting spot for my Ticktick.
Order filled.
Right. But you see, as soon as you press the button for a continuation, it drops. Crazy. I'm
Order
cutting
filled.
160 bucks. As soon as you press the button for a continuation, it's just gone. Normally, at least it has to do this with that green candle coming in. So I go break even quickly after, but today is not what happens usually and normally. No, this is not tradable right now, it's total gambling. So at a time it should have an impulse, it's just pretty much reversing out of nowhere. It's a sign of a mess. Disruptions. We're in disruptions right now. You know, for this accounts on the Pro, you only have to trade for 5 days. 35% consistency. Very convenient, I would say. Let's see. Do we get rejected once again on the same pulse?
Order filled.
Or finally...
Order filled.
Or finally we are having the ability to move. No more trading, certainly on my Lucid Pro accounts, but finally we moved a little bit. Come on, get to my target. Get to my target, buddy. I need to collect that point on 5 accounts for Ticktick Trader. We're trading it on 5 accounts. Leader +4. You get in the giveaway by signing up and participating in the giveaway, which is happening on the live stream a little bit later.
Order filled.
And the target has been touched, guys. Celebration time. That's feeling great. Come on. That's a good one. Another great moment. The second great moment today. Boom. Let's go. Let's go, guys. This is the first point on Ticktick Trader with a profit score. We need 7 points because all these accounts are basically the third cycle. Third cycle. We haven't lost them. There's 5 accounts. We're not buying more. We got this 5. We can actually have up to 10. We're not buying more. We're going to trade them like this. And this is the first point. So 6 more points needed. We got 3,800 there. Our max loss per day is at 1,500. But this is a great achievement. Thank you, guys. Come on. I'm gonna lock myself out of this one as well. 100% no more trading on them. But that's important. You know that feeling when you start off with an account. You start off in a journey. You need that green day. You need that green day. And I'll tell you something. It happened with me. To be way more serious, if I had my first day red. Which actually put me in a different level of focus and seriousness about my entries, because that's the thing, right? I gotta be serious and focused on my entries. And with the first day I had a loss. Might actually have happened on this account, so let me verify. No. It was not on this account. You see, I got discipline, did not open the trade, just locked myself out. Are we going for the breakout? We got 13 minutes and the market is going to heat up. Boom. W. So let's trade some Savius as well. Let's trade some Savius too. With the opening, probably. Look at that one, guys. We're testing the breakout. Well, we'll see if we get acceptance above. But the 5 minute, we actually broke out of the green line for the first time. All the goals were pretty accurate. And now for the first time, we're actually doing the breakout. Let's see if this one is going to be completed. Let's not rush into statements. There is 1 minute and 30 seconds and the whole thing can be denied. And then we pretty much, he wants 30 minutes. Ho ho. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do it. We tested. Let's just say it that way. We tested with 30 minutes and we clearly saw it's not working. you need a $2 million account to deal with 30 minutes and $100,000 in drawdown. I mean, think about, guys, would you trade an account that's $1 million on prop firms and they would give you $50,000 drawdown? What do you guys think about such thing? Like an instant funded $1 million account with $50,000 drawdown. Or $60,000. I don't think there's an option like that. You know, at least these companies are not really having it. We have some discussions with other firms as well in the meantime. We're going to post some new reviews. I could make that idea into existence. I can propose and just have the companies delivering. I think there should be enthusiasm around a trading account of $1 million. They don't have to give you huge payouts, right? You would agree with lower payouts too, like slightly higher than the 150k instant funded. The problem is they have to charge you a lot for these accounts and you're not going to buy them. But they could give you the accounts at $200, $300. The 5-minute closed decently. Certainly not bearish. But you see today things are a little bit different. 10 minutes to go. $100,000 payout. You'll have to pay $30,000 for the account. No, actually 6 times. That's a good ratio for the prop firms. 6 times the amount of money you are paying, that's your payout. 6 times. That's a good ratio for the firms. Those firms are sustainable. If you pay 100 for an account, they will give you 600 payout. No settings to be changed for the indicator. You're short here. Risky from my standpoint. Certainly risky. But you see, like I told you, today you can get this one working. We might see the green line turning back for the bulls, 610. Gold. Ho, what's happening with you, gold? I mean, just like BTC, which is completely dead. Instead of being today on $150,000, it's dying around these levels for months. And it's keeping the altcoin markets under the water. I hate it, guys. $660s, yeah. A pump on the opening up to $660s. You know, there is going to be a lot of volatility today. So for the opening, think about aggressively downscaling your entries in terms of the size. Just be smart today, guys. It's the worst day to lose accounts. Think about it. There's no way today you're going to lose accounts. If there is to lose accounts, at least lose it in a decent trading day's condition, not today. So we're breaking out. Don't short the markets here. Do not stay in front of the train. That's not a good idea. The train is coming, it's rushing hard, and it's smashing through the trailings right now, and people getting scared. There's 6 minutes to go. You know what they're doing in their pens, and they're getting out of the shorts. But you are different. You're joining the giveaway, you're liking the video, and you are tremendous with that. Well, gold is dumping. BTC should pump along with Nasdaq. If we go a little higher time frame, then we just broke out of something that was disgusting. Holding down the market on algo-driven movements. So we are witnessing 13 hours algo-driven downtrend. Now, the question is, are we going to touch today 722? Let me ask that in a pool. 722 is the daily opening. Start a pool. Are we touching 722 today? Let me know what you guys think about in the pool. 722 daily opening. So you guys are expecting 100 points from here. Make sure to like the video. Join the giveaway. Let me see how many of you did you sign up. How many of you? Are we like 100 guys there? I'm so happy. 153 people. Oh my god. 153. Great fellas. Thank you so much, guys. 15 minute is already finding rejection. Are we really gonna break out of this? 15 minute is already finding rejection here. I don't wanna badmouth anything, but I'm a little bit scared of what's happening here. So happy about our Ticktick performance today. We got our point. We made our 500 bucks on 5 accounts. We also made good money on our brand new funded from the challenge, the Lucid Pro, 50k. I'd love to trade my Savius, but I'm not really knowing what to do for the moment. I mean, at least we could get all the way up to the green line and daily VWAP, which is around 660s. Good morning. Like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, having educational content along with giveaways every single day. 74% of you consider we are going to 722 today. Think about it. So does that mean I have to short the markets? Because the market makers are watching the pools, right? They're watching the pools in the chat, they're listening to me, and they know you guys are longing. Hopefully you don't believe me, guys. Some of you might take that serious and will correct me. We had guys coming out on chat after such statements and telling me that, hey, we are in sim-funded environments. Market makers do not care about a sim-funded environment. Hey, you shouldn't trade. You don't even notice. Oh my god. Step down. Step down. Oh. Alpha futures. I have not traded there. I have not touched them. They're not my bread and butter. We have a lot of great companies, buddy. They're not my bread and butter, but the 15-minute finally rejected, and it has fooled a lot of the people. Christmas did not come early, guys. The breakout of the trending line did not happen, and there is 2 minutes to go, and we're ringing the bell. Government open. What does the poly market say for the government open? That's what's going to happen, right? For this week. Tell me the odds, guys. Look into poly market. Look into poly market. Tell me the odds of government reopening for this week. No major news today. We're actually having a bank holiday in the United States of America. Veterans Day. 85% for this week. Ho ho. It's clear, right? It's clear. Thursday, Friday. You know, I think the markets will aggressively reward people for that. I think more about the crypto space in the next months will certainly low cap crypto space, you know. If you guys are not millionaires, you're gonna get your $2,000 airdrop from Trump. Dividends of tariffs. 10 seconds to go. And we're ringing the bell. And I'm gonna trade something. 5 seconds. Let me ring the bell right now. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Careful with the numbers. Boom. The market is opening. The market is opening. Let's just get into Quant Tower. Two contracts long. Putting the stop loss on break even. Let it run. Where? All the way to 660s. Look at this one, guys. Let it run. Where? All the way to 660s. I don't even need that, basically. I actually need less because my consistency. So I'm happy with 645. 645 and I'm out. That would be the magic touch. I do get a lot of the emails from prop firms that do not even exist. So we touched the break even. And they think if they give me $10,000 for a video, I would promote them. Who the hell cares about their $10,000 in scams? Tell me, guys. XRP. So, a lot of the props think they invest 10 grand in a material and then they make 100 from sales and then disappear. So then they copy the website, do another one, and stuff like this. No. Testing out along here, guys, in case the market wants to break out. Let me just, let me just have my positions ready because I feel something. And if I feel something, usually, no, not today, but certainly this can still fly. And I think it's gonna fly, which is why I bought back. Come on. It looks great under 1 minute. Stop loss on break even. Just get that ass above 30s. Come on. Keep going. I'm out for the moment. You see, 934 is good for celebration, guys. 934 pure profit. Look at that. Good for celebration. Hey, look at that. Boom. Celebration time. 924. We got back-to-back winners. So today's stream started a little with my left foot, right? But then we just picked up things in the right direction. We start building the markets. Props. Ready to give you 10,000 for a video. Boom. Make sure you're caught up on stream. So 71% are bullish. Yeah, when you buy Bitcoin in 2014, You don't need to do these things anymore, guys. Accept money for videos. Nah. But we should just continue here, but I'm certainly afraid of longing it, certainly. I'm shorting it. Putting the stop loss there and letting this one... I'm out. Beautiful. We hit the target, $1,500. Look at that one, guys. Celebration time. Savviest is what we're trading right now, which is having a promotion. Buy one, get one for free. Buy two, get three for free, so totally 5. Look at a nice wick. If you buy 2 accounts at Savviest today, you get 5. But the price for each is no discount, right? So it's the total price. You know, I talk about it on my Discord. Looks like we're doing the breakout here. We're doing the breakout. Yeah, you have to sign up for the giveaways, obviously. You have to sign up for the giveaways. We got you. 175. Emails daily. Click on this link, click on that link. Download this, download that. They want to catch me. Oh, look at that. What's happening with Scrumbo here? T-Stack. Now I can see you, buddy. Look at that. Oh, that's me. That's me. Look at that. How do you make this with AI? Not looking bad. We need a screen somewhere, a digital one, dropping the trades and our great community appearing on the live stream. Hey, look at a Scrumbo. What is he doing there, guys? Oh, there you go. This is where we got the Nasdaq. I can see it. Look at that. This is nice. Look at my trading desk. Ho ho. Where do I find this location? Because I'm ready to fit there, guys. I'm ready to fit there. Where do I find this location? Come on. Give me the address, buddy. Is it in Florence, Italy? I like these little trees. Probably they're worth $200,000 each, right? And they're 300 years old. Look at that one. Hey. 640s, we broke out. $640s. The only one incapable of a rally is Bitcoin. And I'm gonna say this every single day till we have it on 130s. I want to make Bitcoin feel bad. Yep. You gotta join our Discord, guys. You gotta join our Discord. Let me send you the links. This is our community. The strongest community. And of course, we're negotiating top level coupon codes, top level promotions. I'll reach out to the prop firms. I'll tell them to generate you $1 million prop firm accounts. Look at the rejection we had on the 15 minutes. So the green line again is haunting us. The green line. The algos today are top notch. Extremely accurate. Damn green line. So when we have the green line, let me tell you a little secret. When we have the green line appearing, it's not bad. If the green line appears and the red line disappears, which is, it stops, right? it's a good sign. If we break out at a green line, expected continuation. That's the context. The red line needs to stop, and that's actually, you know, it has stopped. The red line did not continue from here. We have the green line on our chart. Beautiful. Now, if we break out, we expect continuation. And this is happening most of the time. But let me show you a chart, guys. Let me show you an indicator. So we put you on the weekly chart. And I turn on something. Look at this, guys. You have to look to the... Let me show you which one is the line you care. You care about the blue line. Is that bearish? Look at that one, guys. What an indicator, right? So when does the danger appears for this price action? When there is a gap between the price and the blue line. That's the dangerous time. And as we can see, by the time goes, the market is once created a gap, filling up that gap, and touches the blue line. The problem is when you're confirming the price action below the blue line. This is on the weekly, guys. What a massive rejection. Like the video, everyone. Come on. So the indicator I was showing you, let me give you the link. Volume weighted moving average. It's a built-in indicator by TradingView. It's built in. Right? So it's done by TradingView. It's built in. You get it here. Indicators. You search for it. I think this should be amongst my favorite. Let me just copy the link for you as well. I think that's the link for the indicator. Total rejection, guys. Ho ho. Alright, guys, so I'll give you 1 minute. Yeah, 50 days. I have it on 50 days for that kind of quality of chart. 50 days. $50 days, length, sources, close normally. That's the setting. There's no better trending line than what we have here. It's just insane. Never mind, never mind. We had a great time today. Absolutely great time. And now, you know what we do? Badger is not here to pick up the numbers from the wheel, which means everyone is going into the duck race. Everyone is going into the duck race. Guess from where? From the form you have to complete. Right, so I paste you 187 joined. The time is over. I'm gonna download the list right now. I'm exporting the list right now in the background. You should have signed till this moment. You had an hour and so. We are exporting the list right now. Takes like 30 seconds. and we're organizing. Ready, it has been exported. So I got your names. I got your $188. This is the final number. Everyone is going 186 actually. Let me quickly verify. 186. So you guys will compete. Listen how we're gonna do it. Before we get started. 1 minute competition time, but before we get started, let me tell you what you gotta do. Yes, everyone is on the duck race. All the guys that sign up for the giveaway. The first 10 is allowed. We're gonna do first 5. Come on. This time, let's do it first 5. The first account we will share will be Tap 1 Futures. Tap 1 Futures. 25k, end of the day instant funding. Good luck to all of you guys, but before we get started, everyone like the video. This is how to participate besides being on the forum. Like the video. Be subscribed. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell, streaming from Monday to Friday. 8 AM, giveaways, all that stuff. And the third thing you gotta do is join Discord. So, I'm gonna shuffle this once. And we're starting, guys. Good luck, everyone. The first 5 for this giveaway, first 5. 25k, Tap 1 Futures, end of the day drawdown, instant funded. First 5 will go to the second round. And we're gonna have a grand final. Good luck. Come on, keep pushing. The first 5. Let's go. 10 seconds. First 5 will qualify. Oh. Who's ducking around? Killian. Are you gonna make it? No. That's pretty close. And here we are. With the first 5. Look at that one. We got you with a Sebastian, right? Alright, so let's just search for the winners. We got you, Sebastian. Congratulations. Mayo, once again. Unicorn. Hey. The third one. Putting the third one. Good. We're putting the list right now together, guys. Come on. Millis. And the last one. C-Doy. B9R. There you go. Okay, guys. Come on. The first 5. Here you are. You're gonna compete for 30 seconds. Shuffle. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Every single person that signed up till the time we started the giveaways is on the list. Look at that. We got Trump winning. Hey. $25,000 tap 1 futures. End of the day, instant funded, a highly valuable account. Congratulations for the winner. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good. Going towards, with the same list, to the next one. And we're going to let you go a minute. Second of a giveaway. Make sure to like the video, guys. Be subscribed. Join our Discord. Like the video. Be subscribed. Join our Discord. That's a Trump duck. Exactly. So the second giveaway, it's going to be 50k Lucid test. No activation fee. This is the second giveaway. We're gonna... top 3 will qualify. Top 3 will qualify. Shuffle once. Start. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Sebastian, enjoy. 40 seconds to fly. Top 3 will qualify for this $50,000 Lucid account. Stop Run City speeding up. Stop Run City. But you certainly don't want to be amongst the top right now. If you're right now amongst the top, you're gonna get stopped down. Genius. Look at that. Oh no. Oh, look at that crazy stuff. Hector. Congratulations, Hector. And these are the first 3 that will qualify, basically, in the second round. Let's just build up the list quickly. Congratulations for the winners. Hector, we got you here. The second one is Mike. And then we got you with the third one, Luigi. So you guys will compete for 30 seconds for this. We have one more giveaway after. We're downloading a new list right now for the new giveaway. An updated form. For those of you that have joined late, we're downloading one more list. 5 seconds to go. And congratulations for winning. We're downloading the updated list once again. Let me just quickly export this. For the last giveaway, which will be $50,000. Ticktick Trader, straight to funded plus. It's going to be with the updated version. Congratulations. We're waiting for the list. Takes a few seconds normally. Hey, congratulations. Good job. And we got it. We got the new one. Let me just open it up and see how many of you are right now in the updated form. 191. 191. We will do top 5. Let's do it again, top 5, guys. Top 5. 1 minute time of competition. 50k. Straight to funded plus Ticktick Trader. Shuffle. Top 5 will qualify for the second round. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Make sure to like the video. We had around 60 to 70 people exiting. Keep going. Top 5 will qualify second round. This is a 50k. Straight to funded plus Ticktick Trader. Let's go. Ten seconds to go. Five seconds. Top 5 will qualify. Martin. Martin is sitting there. Nasdaq. And here are the top 5 guys. Here are the top 5 guys. So we got Martin. Martin, there you go. The first one. We got a second one. Niche. Dictionary. We got a third one. Zahadi. There you go. The retail. We got a retail hunter. I told you we got market makers here, guys. Look at that. Retail hunter. He's a market maker. He's participating in the giveaways. You wouldn't say it, right? 30 seconds, folks. With a top 5. Cheers, everyone. Good luck out there. Congratulations. There you go. We got the winner. Congratulations for the $50,000 account. The reason you didn't saw your ducks, it's because they were so behind. They were not appearing on the screen. That's why, guys. We had 180, 190 ducks, and just probably less than 100 appear on the front side. There's so many that some of the ducks are behind, so behind, that they're not really visible most of the time. But everyone is on the list. Good job, everyone. So we got Martin winning. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. This is a 50k straight to funded plus on Ticktick Trader. So once again, we're continuing tomorrow, having a great time, sharing a lot of the accounts, and of course, continuing our great trading. Keep in touch. You got the accounts ready, the coupon code there. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day. Oh, look at that. We just touched the 60s. Ho, ho, ho. Christmas came early, guys. Did you got your entries? Or you were sleeping on my giveaways? Did you got your entries on the 60s? I told you about those entries since we started the live stream. Don't you dare saying you don't have a long of 30 minis putting together 200 grand profits. Don't you dare telling me you're not in that situation. Hey, looking forward to it, guys. Have a lovely day. Chill out, relax. You're long. 562. There you go. You're doing a great job with the graphics and also following good technicals, quality technicals. You're doing a great job, buddy. 562.9 minis. That's a juicy one. Let it run to the all-time high in a swing trade. That's still decent, right? Have a lovely day, guys. Peace. Love you all. We see you tomorrow. For anything, reach out on Discord.